Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the sway bar links on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Alright guys, jack up the car, remove the wheel, and this is your sway bar link right here. It's held on by a 19mm bolt on top and a 17mm bolt on the bottom. I don't know why they're different sizes, but that's the way it is. So let's take that off. Okay, now it's ready to come out, but if it doesn't want to come out, you might have to jack up the suspension a little bit to release the tension off of it. There you go. All right, this is the old link, and you can see the boot was all ripped up, and they're pretty shot. You're not supposed to be able to move it like this so easily, okay? When you try to take these off, if for some reason this whole shaft spins on you, you can always throw a 17mm to hold the back of it like this while you take off this nut, okay? This is the new part, and make sure they're the same. These are 10.5-inch links. They do make one that's 12.5 inches, so measure yours before you order so you get the right part, okay? This is the part number for the 10.5-inch links. The same for both sides. And I'm also going to leave a link in the description for these and for the 12-inch links. These are the new nuts they send you. So let's throw these on. Okay, this is a 17, and you want to hold it back with a 17 wrench. All right, that's what it looks like installed. Just got to throw on the wheel and repeat the process on the other side. It's a pretty simple job. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.